Everyone dreams of earning from YouTube, but how does it really begin? Today, I'm sharing my real journey, from my first shaky video to my first YouTube dollar. When I started, I had nothing, no fancy camera, no lights, just a phone, and the courage to upload my very first video. My first video got exactly 7 views. Yes, only 7. But those 7 views felt like my first win. Someone out there was actually watching. I realized YouTube is not luck, it's skill. So I started learning how to make eye-catching thumbnails, how to write clickable titles, how to edit videos people actually enjoy. Every day I improved a little more. I got 100 subscribers, then 500. Every comment, every like gave me energy to keep going. Pop-up graphics of subscriber numbers growing. But reaching monetization was the real test. YouTube needs heavy checkmark 1,000 subscribers, heavy checkmark 4,000 watch hours, or heavy checkmark 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And trust me, this part is not easy. One day it happened. A video started blowing up 100, 10,000 views. My watch time shot up. My subscriber count started rising fast. That one video changed everything. Then one midnight, I got the notification, your channel is now eligible for monetization. I couldn't believe it. I applied, waited, and finally, I got approved. If you're thinking about starting a channel, stop thinking, just start. Because one day, your story might inspire someone else. Just like mine started from zero. Start today. Your journey begins now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment. Tell me where you are in your YouTube journey.